Got it.
Do you know what's in a bat house? Bats.
You want the sticker too?
Of course. How do you think the bats get in the bat house? With the bottom. This hangs upright. The bats land here and they can crawl right up inside. And we cut this open so you can see what the bats see when they're inside. They go in these little 3/4 inch crevices and they can crawl all the way up to the top. And then there's little passage holes so they can go from chamber to chamber. Like you go from your bedroom to your living room. They can go from place to place. Isn't that neat? Then this is a 3-chamber kit. Now these vents on the front let air in so that the bats can stay a little cooler when they're down here. That's right, this is a 3-chamber. Do you know how many bats can fit in here? How many would you think? You guess? 10? 20? You don't think 20 could get in here? What if I said up to 150 could live in here? That's a lot. They like each other a lot, don't they? They just crowd all together and get real close. Isn't that neat? This is our single chamber kit. We sell this in pieces so that you can get it and put it together yourself.
Our neighbor tried to put a bat house up, and nobody ever came to live in it. It's specifically you have to have it like a clear space or something like that.
A lot of times people put them in the shade and they try to think comfort like our comfort would be. They actually need to be in bright sunlight. They need to get up to 85 and 100 degrees. That's a bat's kind of a room temperature. That's where they like to stay at. That's why they like our attics.
Is there any, do they, like I notice in your pictures, they're all in open spaces. Like we have lots of trees in the area. Is that something that would deter them as well?
They're in open spaces. The main thing is to get the sunlight coming in, face it south to southeast, and catch the sunlight. You also don't want it right in the tree limbs and the branches because predators can perch there and catch the bats right as they leave their house. And it doesn't take too many of their buddies getting eaten before they all decide, maybe we should find a different place to live.
Right. All right.
And we have some cards here.
There are a ton of bats in that little hole.
That's Bracken Cave. That's below Austin, Texas. There's 20 million bats that live in that cave. It's a lot of bats.
Yeah, it is. Okay, your brother.